TikTok is now banned in the USA. The software CapCut is also not working. But if you want to still use TikTok, all you need to do is use a VPN. Yes, that's right. It's a software or an app in your phone. I'm gonna show you how. Currently, we are in the United States.
Did you just say Talaga?
Okay, this is the problem. TikTok is temporarily unavailable. We're working hard to resolve this issue. Thanks for your patience. And the app closes. So what we're gonna do is we need a VPN. And let's just change location. Any location that is outside of the USA will do. So for now, we're in Hong Kong. We'll try it now. It's working. So that's how you use TikTok with a VPN outside the USA. Let me show you what it's like in the desktop. Okay, now we're in the MacBook. I am connected in the United States, right? I'm gonna go to TikTok. It's temporarily unavailable because it's banned. So what we're gonna do is let's change countries. Disconnect this one and pick a country that is outside the United States. It's also disconnected in Hong Kong. Let's try United Kingdom. Okay, now we're connected to United Kingdom, and then let's refresh, or let's close it again, reopen. Okay, let's Safari again, and let's go to TikTok again. Finally, it's working. Okay, so all we did was to change countries.
I haven't seen people open
TikTok
it's
now working. You get a little lag because you're still going to a VPN. It's a third-party connection.
Try therapy.
So if you're wondering where you could get free VPN, the best VPN that I found is Proton VPN. Okay, you just go to the website. There is an option that you will see right here. Just click this, get Proton free. You don't need to pay, and you just download it and then make an account. After you make an account, you can install it, the app here, and then just connect. It will find a country for you. So once you are already or in a country, surf the internet now, coming from Japan. Okay, so that's how you use a free VPN. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.